Okay, I'm finally finished with the build. I thought I was finished about a few hours ago, but actually ran into a situation with the wastegate. Apparently this Turbo Smart, it's the 5th gen 45 millimeter, has water cool lines going to it. And so I had to basically take this inlet pipe off and pretty much used it was a crossover line running from the top radiator hose from it's got a little a line running from it, a feed line that goes all the way to the surge tank. Basically I diverted that, went through the wastegate, and then returned back to the surge tank or expansion tank, whatever. So it's not the prettiest right now, but I just had to do this. It's pretty much to get it running. I'll probably find a better way to route that, but that's the most direct for now. But I haven't started it up yet. I'm just going a once over to make sure all my fittings are tight, so I won't encounter any leaks once I start her up. But all my clamps are done, all my harnesses are connected, and I should be firing it up in a few minutes once I get this pretty much pre-start inspection up. Alright, she's running. I'm checking for all the leaks, and so far everything is good to go. I went inside and no lights. Alright, everything's good inside. Add some coolant. Pretty much. We're ready. She sounds pretty good. I'll give her a rev and see if I can get the blow off valve with the turbo speed. Sounds pretty good.